beauty of solar in Calgary is that we get excellent production throughout the majority of the year. There's a certain portion of the year that's snow covered, but practically when we take into account that our summer days are twice as long as our winter days, they more than offset our annual usage.
Friends and especially neighbors are interested all the time about it. Especially when we got the system, they would actually stop you and they would say, hey, we saw it on your roof, tell me about it.
We can actually really see what's going on with the energy we're producing, and that makes it real for people. When they see stuff like that, they go, oh wait, you mean we can do this? And we've got providers in Calgary that can make this happen for us and make it happen reasonably seamlessly.
They're designed to last for 25 years, and the benefits is it'll probably pay off before that.
The best part of solar for us, though, is that broader lifestyle statement that says that we can bring our energy production home. This is a legacy for our children, and ENMAX has helped us do that.